Hello, welcome to Genius version 2. In this video I'm going to show you how we can change the layout of Genius to match the way that we work. So if I click on the cog, click on layout settings, you can see I have some options in here, so I can change the top menu to the left menu, and now all of my menus are on the left hand side. If I click a menu, it reveals a sub menu. I can also change the colour of Genius. Just change that back. I can change the colour to green, orange, any colour that I like. And one of the latest features in Genius is dark mode. So at the moment we're currently set in light mode, but we also have dark mode. Dark mode really helps your eyesight. So if you're using a computer for a long time, every day, dark mode is really beneficial for your eyes. Just showing you some of the menus. So if I click through, you will see all of the pages are in dark when we're set in dark mode. Really is beneficial for your eyes. It cuts out the blue light and really helps your eyesight. So we do recommend using dark mode if at all possible.